Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and this is a lesson called Lose Your Sense in our Money Matters Math Kit. This game is all about deducting money using our base 10 system. So we're going to be using dimes and pennies to do just that. In the pouch, they'll have a sheet that has the information for the adult on teaching tips, supplies, objectives, math terms, and guided questions. And then on the back will be the directions on how to play the game. This game will come with dimes and pennies and dollars and a 20-sided dice and a laminated board as well as just a regular board. The regular board is going to be what it looks like here with dollars, dimes, and pennies on it. We are not going to use the dollars right now because you can work up to using the dollars. Right now, we're just going to be using the dimes and the pennies, and we're working on subtraction. So this is going to show really subtraction in a base 10 system in a really nice way. So you're going to start with 9 pennies and do I have 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to get rid of this 10th penny and this 10th dime. So you're going to start with 9 dimes and 9 pennies, and that's what's represented here on the board. And for right now, I'm just going to cross out this other 9, so we're not dealing with it. So we're going to roll this dice. That's going to give us amount. We're going to say we rolled the 11, which is right there for us. And we're going to write the 11 down, and you will take out then 1 penny and 1 dime. Whatever we count up here is going to be what we have here. So now we have left is 8 dimes and 8 pennies. So let's say the next time we roll, let's say we roll this 13. We're going to subtract then 13 from our amount. And so we're going to take out 1 dime and 3 pennies. We're just going to set these pennies and dimes to the side. What we count up here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we now have 70 cents or 7 dimes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. And that is what it is when you subtract 88. You subtract 13 from 88. So let's say we roll again and we get this 6. So we roll again and we get the 6. We're going to write that 6 in. But we don't have 6 pennies to take out. So we're going to have to take out one of these dimes and exchange it for 10 pennies. And I'm just going to, the kids will have enough pennies, but I'm going to replicate some pennies here. We have 10 pennies here. So I'm going to now put the 10 pennies up here because I exchanged the dime for 10 pennies. If it's closer again. And you're going to see I can then cross out this 7 or erase it. They have an eraser. And put this as 6. And then I have a total of 15 pennies now. So now I can take out my 6 pennies. I've taken out my 6 pennies. And I can look at what I have left. Here, counted up, I have 6 dimes. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's a little one hiding under here. Oops, 9. There's another one hiding under there. But the kids should be able to replicate what they're doing when they subtract with regrouping by using these pennies and dimes. This is a great way to get kids to practice. So what's going to happen is they're going to be competing against other students. They're going to continually roll and subtract. They're going to take their quantity that's on the pink here because we didn't have a long enough sheet of paper. They're going to take this quantity and put it up here and continue on subtracting until they've spent all their dimes and pennies. They could spend it easily up earlier too. It's just they have this many times to try to get rid of all their cents. So enjoy this game.